Want to be sure your students are ready for their introductory statistics course? I have a product that can help. This is a preview of PreStatistics. Let's begin to talk about what is PreStatistics. PreStatistics you can think of as a preparation for college-level statistics courses. And also, let's talk about what PreStatistics is not. First, PreStatistics is not developmental algebra. We don't talk about factoring or rationalizing denominators. Also, PreStatistics is not statistics. We don't take time to talk about numerical descriptive measures or density curves. We focus only on the tools for statistics. We can define PreStatistics as a preparatory course comprised of a collection of topics from arithmetic, algebra, and geometry used to prepare students for an introductory statistics course while serving as an introduction to data-sourced applications. When developing PreStatistics, we had 4 goals in mind. First, to have a course to properly prepare students for their introductory statistics course. Next, design a text that can be used in a variety of teaching and learning formats. Then, use familiar content so that instructors of developmental courses do not need additional training. And finally, since this is a new course, we want to justify its topics. The topic areas of PreStatistics include arithmetic related to statistics, so that students develop number sense. Next, algebra related to statistics. Again, we don't talk about factoring and rationalizing denominators. We talk about interpretation of average rate of change and marginal change. The problem-solving method. We take time to show students how to take information that's mathematical out of a narrative and compute with it, and to interpret the solution in the context of the problem situation. We also talk about functions related to statistics. Sometimes students never see functions until they get to their introductory statistics course. We also take time to talk about sets, sums, and counting so that students are ready to study probability properly. Finally, all of those topics are introduced in the context of data-sourced applications. When it comes to teaching PreStatistics, we have plenty that can help. If you want to teach a traditional lecture course with a hard copy text, we have that. But also, PreStatistics includes 150 objective screencast videos, one for every objective in the text. 120 worked out example videos, so students not only read the solution, they see it as well. And over 300 screencast solutions for follow-up quick check exercises. Instructional videos, algorithmic exercises that test the student's knowledge can be used in a blended classroom format, online format, and all supported by WebAssign. Want to learn more about PreStatistics? Just go to your web browser and search PreStatistics Cengage.